physician order is for 1,000 ml of lactated ringers to be infused over 12 hours. The IV tubing delivers 15 drops per cc. A asks how many cc's per hour should be given. So remember that cc's are the same as mLs. So let's just change that ml to cc since the first question wants the answer to be in cc's. So our answer for the first one is going to be in cc's per hour. To set this up, our order is 1,000 cc's over 12 hours. So we just divide that to see how many cc's per hour should be given. So 1,000 divided by 12 is 83.33 cc's per hour. And then rounding guidelines show that we should change this to 83 cc's per hour. For B, it asks, what should the drip rate be per 15 seconds? So we're going to want our answer to be in drops per 15 seconds. Okay, so I'm actually going to start this problem completely over, and I'm going to use mLs instead of cc's now. So our order was for 1,000 mLs over 12 hours. We have 15 drops per ml. Drops are always given per ml. So let's cross cancel mLs to find out our drops per hour. So we have 15,000 drops on top over 12 hours. 15,000 divided by 12 is 1,250 drops per hour. Now we need to convert the hours to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we're going to cancel out hours. So we end up with 1,250 drops over 60 minutes. 1,250 divided by 60 is 20.83 drops over 1 minute. So we're going to do 1 minute, and there are 4 15-second increments in a minute. So we're going to put 4 and then just put 15 seconds. 20.83 drops over 4. 15 seconds. And we're going to divide 20.83 drops by 4, and that gives us 5.2. And we're going to change that to just 5 because you can't give a 0.2 of a drop. So the answer is 5 drops per minute. So the order is Tagamet 300 milligrams IV every 6 hours to infuse over 20 minutes. Available is 300 milligrams in 50 mLs of D5W. IV set available is a micro drip set that delivers 60 drops per ml. Calculate the drops per minute flow rate. So that answer is going to be in drops per minute. So our order is 300 milligrams over 20 minutes. We have available 300 milligrams in 50 mLs. Our drip set is 60 drops per ml. And now we figure out the math. So 300, or actually first let's cross cancel. So get rid of milligrams, get rid of mLs. So our answer is going to be in drops over minutes. So 300 times 50 times 60 is 900,000. And 20 times 300 is 6,000. 900,000 divided by 6,000 is 150 drops over 1 minute. So that's the answer for that part. What should the drip rate per 15 seconds be? So there are, in 60 minutes, we want to know how many seconds, 15 seconds. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So there are 4 15-second increments in 60 minutes. So next we're going to take our drop rate, which is 150 drops. We already know how much it would be per minute, so we're going to divide by the 4 15-second increments. So 150 divided by 4 is 37.5 drops per 15 seconds. And then we'll round up to 38 drops per 15 seconds.